our channel. I'm Kristen.
And I'm Lindsay.
And we are 5678 Glam. You know what time of the month it is.
It's time for our November Boxycharm.
If you would like to see how we got these looks using all of our Boxycharm products,
Just keep watching.
let's get to it.
Let's go.
Open sesame. Hello, Farah.
Hello, Charmer.
Gold digger? Oh,
Gold digger.
Gold digger. That's the theme of this month's box. Here we go, the big reveal.
Did we get the same thing in the box?
We got the same thing this month.
Okay. So.
Whoa!
Okay, these are so wonderful. You said
Wait.
you wanted tweezers. They're dual-ended. So this is from the brand Farah. These dual-ended tweezers were created to give you the easiest hair removal process possible. This product retails for $12.
I do my own eyebrows, so this is great.
Want to tweeze?
Yeah.
This is sharp. I love this.
Oh, these work.
These are good. I'm not gonna sit here all day and tweeze my eyebrows, but they got the job done.
This is good. Also good because I like to use tweezers to apply lashes.
So yeah, this is good for lashes, and you know, if you want to just throw this in your purse. Something like that.
Right.
So the next thing in the box.
Wow, this is very fancy looking. Love the packaging. So this palette is from the brand Ace Beauty. It is the Grandoise palette. Wow!
It is gorgeous.
Those pans are huge! So this palette features 4 shimmer shades and 4 bold mattes. Your new Grandoise palette has all you need to create unlimited eye looks. Retails for $24.99.
I've never heard of this brand before.
Never. The perfect warm tone palette.
Easy to shop with. There is no mirror, in case you're wondering.
Boxycharm, you guys are good.
You think of everything. These.
Hello! Oh my god.
These are from the brand LUXIE. We definitely have gotten LUXIE brushes before. This is the Luminous Eye Set. Features 4 synthetic eye brushes. This is the LUXIE 141 mini round brush. Perfect for smudging or smoking out your lower lash line. Good demonstration.
Next.
This is the LUXIE 121 mini tapered. Lets you effortlessly blend your crease color. Good demonstration. The LUXIE 111 mini flat angled brush lets you blend out harsh lines or pack on cream products to your lid. Pack it on. This is the LUXIE 131 mini angled. It can add a pop of color to your brow bone or precisely place color onto your crease. This 4-piece set retails for $21.
I love LUXIE. I love sticks and sponges, but I love LUXIE. I'm so excited to use these. This is perfect for like outer corner. I'm gonna darken the look up a little bit, you know. This is good. I like to do this a little bit. This is good for this.
We already primed our eyes and we're going to start our looks right now. So I'm going to go in with the cinnamon shade. It's a lovely brown shade. I'm going to take this on a big fluffy brush from Sticks and Sponges and put this in my crease to begin the look.
Good. I'm going to take the shade Clove, Fallout, which is a peachy color, and I'm going to put this in my crease. I'm going for more of a pinky mauve kind of a look, which I never do.
I'm going to do the Kristen special.
What's the Kristen special?
Gold on the lid.
Sue me.
Right off the bat, very pigmented, blending quite nicely.
I'm happy.
I am.
Happening. Look at that. That was so
Look.
easy. Fallout. But it's okay. It is okay. Moving right along, I'm going to take the shade Poppy. I'm going to take this in the outer corner and the crease to darken up the look.
Which brush did they say was good to pack on the color?
Sticks and Sponges small taper blending brush.
I'm going to take the beautiful gold shade called Primrose, and I'm putting that all over my lid. I'm not going to wet the brush because I'm not.
This is like a magenta more than a maroon is what it shows up on the eyes. And I'm so happy. Calm down. I'm so happy.
I'm going to wet it just because I want to. And I can do what I want.
You're in charge. These shadows blend beautifully. I am so happy. I'm living. Look at that. That's a beautiful little pink. Right now I want the outer corner to be a little bit darker, so we're going to take our LUXIE 121 mini tapered blending brush, and we're going to take Poppy, and we're going to focus this on the outer corner.
Yes.
These shades are so nice. They blend so well with each other.
Yes. I'm going to take this Poppy shade, and I'm kind of going to flick up to create like a soft wing effect. So I'm just going to...
That's a good brush.
Right? It's like good for it.
That's good.
I'm going to clean up the mess that I have over here.
And while she does that, I'm going to take the shade Rose, which is this beautiful pink shade, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. Should I wet it?
See how it looks before?
It doesn't look like it has much like glitter.
No.
Huh? No. Look.
Are you putting it on?
Yeah. I'm going to wet it.
Okay, good.
You saw how that looked. I recommend wetting the shade, so I'm going to take my MAC Fix Plus and spray my brush. Okay, yes, much better. Thank you so much. That is all I needed. It matches perfectly. What a cool shade. I never used shadows like this.
Boxycharm does encourage you to step out of your comfort zone. We're going to take the angled 131 brush and dip into the Patchouli Matte Cream shade, and that's going to help us clean up underneath the brow bone. And if you're blending, got a little carried away, it's always a good idea to clean it up.
Mine definitely did.
You got carried away.
I got blown away. I love shades like this. Just makes you look better. And this brush is really good for that.
So we're going to do our face makeup, and then we will be back to use more items from our Boxycharm. Stay tuned.
Stick around.
We're back. Back and better than ever. We're going to dip back into the Ace Beauty palette.
And we're going to use the brushes because we have this pencil brush that we're going to use. I'm going to use. Are you going to use it?
Me too.
Let's use it. I'm going to take the shade Poppy on this little brush, and I'm going to run that underneath the lower lash line. Good brush. Happy already.
Yeah, this is a perfect pencil brush. The bristles are very soft, and it does not scratch your under eye.
Next step, I'm going to take the shade Rose, and I'm going to put that on the inner third of the lower lash line, kind of mimicking what I have on the upper lid. That looks cool, I have to say. We're both going to take our final brush from the collection. This is the mini flat angled, the LUXIE 111. We're going to take the shade Jasmine, which is the highlight shade from the palette, and we're going to put this in our inner corner and brow bone.
Highlighting the inner corner just makes everything come together, I think.
I think you're right.
This is a very beautiful shimmery shade. We put our brows on.
Brows were done off camera. Now we're ready to go back into the box. We have here, whoa, what a great brand.
These are the CoverFX glitter drops. So this is in the shade Fashion This is in the shade Nova. You can use it alone, under or over makeup, mix into your foundation or moisturizer. Ooh, mix into your moisturizer. That's a good idea.
Yeah, for like a simple day.
Like a simple day when you want to have glittered skin. Excellent.
Oh my god. This is very gold.
Are you ready?
Tell me now.
It retails for
$44.
That
is double!
Are you
over
kidding?
double the price that you pay for Boxycharm. It's very glittery, so I'm glad we didn't put this in our foundation because it actually has flecks of glitter in it.
When you blend it out, it's very lightweight.
I'm going to take a foundation brush. This is from the Dress Up collection from Sticks and Sponges.
Okay.
It is very glittery. If you don't like a glittery highlight, you probably will not like this.
No.
Now the next problem that's going to be with this is this line.
The beauty blender, that's a good idea. We are just done here. We have our lipstick on, we put on mascara.
So far, loving the box.
Loving everything. So here we are.
Let's get a closer look.
As you can see, those drops they're glitter drops. They claim to be glitter drops, and they are glitter drops.
They are glitter. Last item. This is the Bodyography Makeup Brush Cleaner. We have gotten Bodyography before. I love their brow trio. Retails for $12. Great. Let's put it to the test because I have a lot of dirty brushes from today.
Spray directly onto brush hair and gently wipe on a paper towel.
I'm going to use this brush that has the spray brush or...
Did you listen?
Nope.
And then you wipe it onto the paper towel. The product is coming off.
That's great. That was 5 sprays. Rubbing.
It smells like Grandoise.
So look at that. Good as new.
Keep your sticks clean, okay? Just do it. We use everything in the box, and we have to say,
this was a great box. Thank you, Boxycharm.
we love it.
The overall value for this month's box was $113.99.
Which is amazing because,
Crazy.
as we've said before, the box is only $21 a month.
You get 4 to 5 full-size products each month. Thank you guys so much. We hit 200 subscribers.
That's amazing.
It's a milestone, and we really are appreciative. We love all of you. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Tell all your friends.
Yeah, we want more.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to join the GLAM fam. Turn your notifications on.
Hit the bell
to get a notification.
Every single upload.
You don't want to miss a thing.
You don't. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.
Bye!
What up, GLAM fam?
What up, GLAM?
Too much power. What up, GLAM fam?
Power. You could come from the side because you weren't.
What up, GLAM? I'm Chris.
Sorry, I was excited. Okay. Sorry. I'm not Kristen.
Keep your lies to yourself. Sorry.
Grandiose.
I'm grandiose.
Yeah.
Hey.
Stop.
Okay. How do you open this?
Just
though?
open it already. So here you go.
How do you open this?
Just open it already. Cutting it.
Oh, you can't get it open. This is so unfair. This is so rude. I didn't ask for this life.
Fine.
Hello.
I can't do this anymore. We're gonna do all.
I can't do this anymore. I'm quitting.
We will.
We have this wonderful. Shut up, would you? I love everything in the box. I'm gonna sneeze.